Pango yabinga bamwe haba polisi aharika bo Central Police mu Rushema.
Ahereze kwikamu atanasanga umuntu bamwisere atubanya muni wato kwiza kurgaho aba kwa wagonje kare noza kubugamo.
Ekwevo wano era kumukwata era mu suspendees with immediate effect.
Abaturo muri ryantonde nibetombwitira abantu babo okufaha mukeno ahabwenguzo mubashaho.
Because the level at which they extract money from these underprivileged people is so concerning.
Mbara district neitenga bilioni 15 okombe kanyarujiyo koramo.
Emito y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho.
Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurwa basiga Investment Limited. Kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga. Tera noti musanzu ibiri. Mukaga na mukaga. Notina atal neitano.
Okusinzira kulanje ezenjawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint. Ye lanji wa Global aleta wenjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazi siringi.
St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozirwa mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisiibwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo. St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa omu maduuka goona mu ihanga lyona.
Ninyongera kutanjera omu makuru gitagacencwire kandi agutwa kurundanirizo veri oruga kusyaho nde Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian oworumo rwo bubonero orukura police ahabwa bushenye mpango ningashi RPC erizoba yabinga bamumba polisi abarukure byo kucondoza ningashi CID ahabwe nguzi eyibari kwihaha abantu abarikuba bizire kuhababa aha police eyakabuhe Central Police aba nbagira ngo nabaguzana na police bond eshemerire kubirye yabushaha abantu bona.
Ebi byabahubwa nyuma ya TV West kore ko kwesharinga omugacencwire ganyumwe bazyo obwabaturo kuruga kacindo town council omu district ya Shema babirene besharinga habwa police kubanyangaraza ekakoragana na family y'omutura mugenzi wabo Nathan kwatakanwa orukutekatekwa kubumwinazi. Erizoba RPC nebukonjo mupolisi okurugaha region babugana batura ba acharo batyo nuko kushikaho bwino ngo kuba muhaba police ba Shema Central Police Station kabuhe bari kubaguza police bond hagati y'emitwaro 20 kuza emitwaro nshanju
Bakabasani emitwaro nshanju kana rwo muri kiko ina benyene umukoro mwene ko nabendi umukoro mubantera abakaza babo ajiro mukaza antera tubasha emitwaro nshanju for what
kasi njeme kitonze ngo yanguzo mucombe cy'umasani wisire Fabian nasoberwa ecombe tinchimanya aba police narondo doctor habura okubandi yaho ngumwe no manyaye okukore ekicona otubona kuza mucombe yete ntwara 20 ntentwara 50 tinjini
jawa omuchara witwa katugambira ngo jawadi ya mukera nanda miliyoni 3 ne mtwarana miliyoni 4 ne mtwara 3.5 Pajango mweta tukambiro kuya okwakuzenda kanda garika gambeno no kubisro mukamweta
nabwanyuma batura bagaruka bagambira RPC ngo ku polisi yasheme baberire cwero ngo nubatayo bujurezi egarukire kururu kubahama kasente
debare omusoko yanguzire bakantama nubusinze kwera ko
Atubangera ngutaha morebe echaba kana hereze kwikamu atanasanga umuntu bamwisere atubanya muni wato kwiza kurgaho aba kwa wagonje kare noza kubugamo atananye nagumaho bakaba batekera mizi bagatamo mwonyo ato umuntu bamwozya atubangera ngo twatereho umuteke itora muteke ngo kwa kumutwara bakamuteka ay polisi yamwihire
omuntu bakweta twine nyino hame kandi mwine nkabanyine munyanya zerezeho kanyimwe abazyo arukungira ati nyabara twine naza kunyita ate sayona nangambira ngo naza kumpa mbazo marwa kaba mwine kanyimwe abazyo yansibura yajyata umunyanyazo no izari yankagwera arakaruka kari antininza garuka nyencha kare kubwashesire kaba ndi mu rutoke rwanje umwana wundi senkaziza nacura anko yafa nti yara kuchugaki atwina muheriro mbazo marwa hari ari umusanzu debi bawogo mukazogo
urukuru rw'ukucondoza habwa Shema Central Police Station yagambira abatura n'abakamabe ngo n'amazu mahino bujuruzo bwa resurwe ngo konko muhorereza wa government akamuragira kurekura babire bakwasurwe
oyishe oyekane tubyari kugamba otajya munamutamake bintu Kenneth ekinagamba tugeyagambire Kenneth namuteka munda mu custody and together with my DPC tukaturenda tubone flying squad emukange kange muto yarabasakola ki okugamba so file kuyarukiro wa state Kenneth ali munda nayeta ogumushinje nayeta kansala hako niwo family bampire file kuyarukiro wa kansala wa state namushomera ebiro yangambira okukora roye yangira ngo tari kure bujulizi muhage abantu bine abitune mu 10 n'urugambo abantu mbakore ki mbali kuri
omugore Nathan kwatakanwa obufamily yerukwetombiturwa yashaba bature kiganyiro ngo batamubinga hacyaro ngo habo kubakazare mibere tarazire mitima
nazaro mubiri zingazire mitima wabanawe ubwirowe akitumshishoko kimanya ngamba mazima kimfishimanya kandi icyo kimwe kinahurura ikintu bazi no timba mfumu tindagura umurimo wabari mu bataka ubundi ari kuriye icyo cyumukubita ngo family ingereze mubazi icyo nacyo tindukimanya
RPC yaragira DPC okwata basiyida barukutungwa kakumu kandi ubona yaragira kuterwa katebe bakomwe mpaka kusyo kuchondoza hikuruhwera
suspending him with immediate effect era bwemva bano ngenda kumukwata mutwale ku region wa PSU amunonyereze kera tujja kudda meya mbadde njogera naye tujja kudda wano tukuba olukungano lwanga tuli kuwabulamu abatuuze so ekyo mukindekere bwemva wano ngenda kumukwata era mususpending with immediate effect.
RPC yagaruka yaragira polisi ya Shema ngo bamumba family yakwatakanwa ababire bare kwirwe hamwe n'aba batarakwasirwe kandi obwe habiraraho bujurezi bakwatwe bagarucyo mu cyome mpaka ODP para bahere nsharamuye
tugenda gende mbara togere na DPP in fact nchaka ngenda kola appointment then nchangenda kubera mbarara ne RDC n'abantu abamu
gasha kwa Mike atwachire
webare Michael atwachire kandi ejo niyembere yasibo mu district ya Shema twagumizamu enshonga z'ebyamagaro muri ryandonde nezerarchiriza ahabwa abashaho kwerisa karungu barukushoroze nguzo mu barwire ebi byamanyirwa mu mpanura ezo kwetegura embarira ya district omucenje cha council ya district ya Ryandonde
kurjira abatura otine sente tarukutunga bujanjabi omarwaro gatari gamwe na gamwe mu district ya Ryandonde abantu bagira ngo bamumbatura bafira hamcheno.
The category of the patients we are serving, these are girls that are very traumatized, and most of the times you wonder. I have been shocked when I looked at the budget, the work plan, and I saw salaries of health workers, because the level at which they extract money from these underprivileged people is so concerning.
Shortage of trees, health centers, shortage of drugs, ambazo ashajeretario, mchijo depo, sayana.
Abebembezi bajumirira bashaho abino muzogu kandi baraganisa kugumizamu nabakwata orayorekerezibwe mwaka kumu kubana ejumbero mu muzogu.
No health worker is supposed in a government setup is supposed to work on a patient after receiving money. It is not anywhere, and therefore whoever does it at his own risk.
Services at the general and other hospitals and the health centers are free free of charge. The 6 billion we pay for salaries should be enough to make civil servants or workers work without demanding any token.
After that, we find out this money should have come within this financial year, even in this quarter. Let me find out if you have not received that money, then I find exactly what's the problem.
Gasha kwa Sande Kabaragala William.
Webale Sande Kabaragala William twagumizamo na namakuru erizoba koto muri cyuruhura yasindika abantu bashatu mu cyome ahabwo kutekatekwaho okwita umukikuru w'emyaka nkaganena kandi ububasha ziramaraka umukikuru ugu yamanywa nkaciza Flora tumukunde kandi ugu akitwa ahabiro 17 ebyo kwezi mu mwaka ogwe 2025 omucharo echarwa bijemano omuri cyuruhura town council omu district ya cyuruhura.
Koti ya Chiruhura yasindika abatsigazi bashatu omuchome ahabo kutekatekwaho kwita omukikuru emyaka nkaganena abo bashangira mu makaje omusero ya rwabijemano omuri Chiruhura town council esabiti nchezihingwire. Abasinduko muchome na Atamba Kenneth enzaro ya Rwengo oyine myaka 17 Ampumuza Dickson okurugwa muri Singiro oyimyaka 24 hamwe na Edgar Tugume enzaro ya Buheju oyimyaka 32
imwena abatekateka omukoro musango bubisi enda itekajya na saje nemwe na saje bibiri nekigamba ngo iwe Ampumuza Dickson niwo makakiga na Atamba Kenneth hamwe na Tugume Edgar bikaba biri ebiri 17 cyo kwikumi omwako umwe yacyaro cyangwa bijemano ebusango cyura district.
Omuramuzi w'idara ryo kubanza Benjamin Seruwo nuwe abashomera imishango yo bwisi kandi basinduka omuchome okusiya biro byokwezi 17 byo kwikumi omwaka ogu baragaruka mukoti aba basinduka mu bihome bitari kushana abo kugira ngo hari umutaka kize myaka 18 y'obukuru. Gasha kwa Paulo turiyamureba.
Webale Paulo turiyamureba district yambara yayanjura project seze yorekerire kora omumbarira eyebye center kwija ebi byanjura district budget conference yabakwirizoba ahari ari tomorrow aho murembo rwambara
ari kugambira abantu abahikom budget conference mukuru w'abakozi aba district yambara David Muhezi yayanjura projects as district yerekeye kora umbarira y'umwaka 2026 2027 ezirimo kuronda sente zo kuombekanya ruju ya district n'izindi
icyombo cyo plan de kuombeka icyombo sitekateka cyo cyurinze hagati ya sente z'umwana n'abandi
Leaders Tabaro mukuru w'entebe ya katano ahabwambara district yakoresa mu gishogu okushaba bemeze kurekeraho muzigo kucwera nemanja kwiyaho batomutuma ahakorera abantu.
So my dear town mayors, because I don't know, is one of the towns that generates good local revenue. So, which other permanent project are you putting there from these local revenues that we generate?
Urukiko rwahikamo mnyishengero wa Kashari washobora entebe kanise ziroho okutungura no kumara hebizubu ebiri kuteganisa abatura ombyanga.
But why we fight for that budget to be increased? There are two things that we need to do. One, to make
has got directed to local government. There is already also a budget that is going directly from central government.
Abantu bakozi ba district yambara bakoresha mu gishogu okushobora every district ekozire ahabo mwaka 2024 2025 nebyegenderire kora ahabo mwaka 2025 2026 omumbarira erikwija
we had expense of 39.6 million.
Dasha kwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.
Webale Sengendo Abdulkarim murebi witu wa TV West Murunji ni kusima aho turebera hona kandi webale na nokutorana okureba TV West turiyo mu makuru agacenshwire konga twaza kubanza tumureho ntugarukana makuru agandi.
Agarukurataho negakushikibwaho
okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazomba nezibaawo kakundika mwana wanje ate bakuguba amafuti bakafite mushifa kimwe
mushanga sako limit eyinitangira kunya mfumura shema yagaruka yakwetera ekitereki kya Christmas omwaka ogu bamemba nabo kwenda kuba bamemba mwena ekitereki kyatandikire ni 9:12 byo omwaka ogu
Agarukurataho okubuzwa kuri cyamushanje no kutandukanye nchakade abeje mutwaro kinana na kumukenda kwenda cyenda na munana nibo so kubishtamira
tukozere bigezo byingi kandi aho tugambira abana barurede kandi bari prepare nonga inamaga marundi
agarukurataho gabana gukikibwaho
Mave nerwo mite nebjumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazomba nezibaawo kakundika mwana wanje ate bakuguba amafuti bakafite mushifa kimwe
mushanga sako limit eyinitangira kunya mfumura shema yagaruka yakwetera ekitereki kya Christmas omwaka ogu bamemba nabo kwenda kuba bamemba mwena ekitereki kyatandikire ni 9:12 omwaka ogu omumatajaga.
Are you in panic or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazira Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazira Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazira Red Tonic and Kazira Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazira Power Tonic made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazira Red Tonic made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
mushanga sako limit eyinitangira kunya mfumura shema yagaruka yakwetera ekitereki kya Christmas omwaka ogu bamemba nabo kwenda kuba bamemba mwena ekitereki kyatandikire ni 9:12 byo omwaka ogu omumatajaga Kigarama brand Wentuha brand Shuku brand Rere brand St. Kagwa brand Kaboye brand Chanjeni brand Butare brand Marinde brand Mbarasite brand hamwe n'itageri yabwizibwera Shangwa Mbara district ebyokusimbura vermente embuzi enkoko hamwe n'ebindi bingi terabo gishatumengiri chenganemo nodita shanjiname nitubendeza Christmas enonji hamwe n'umwaka mushya ugwa 2026 ogwentunguka
Skylight Hotel erestora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahiba rukereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe n'ebindi
dineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchemo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino bari burungi murembe habe inungi kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabisha bine rooms is self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
binebara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahimbura kache Vision Empire oruguto kwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel ngiri ebiri kukiraho tera noti mushanju mushanju mwenda 18 58 38 ninga noti mushanju noti mukaga 36
kubujwireje turukwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirempinduko mu kujwara nibajwe kabashije nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezembaga eza office amasate gumiri na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe na shorts hamwe na belts enungi abarikwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks eziri original kiraba original garments abashija inkito zanye nungi eziri original eza office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments bashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwa rugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
Stuart Trading Company Limited yakuretera ikitaramo cha Mpengo Fermented Beverage 2025 ekikuza kwata hasi nahigo okumara ebiro bishatu ebiri 14 by'ukwezi kwa 2025 chenjo jo mu chai 15 by'ukwezi kwa 11 chegego mu chai 16 by'ukwezi kwa 11 mubendo mu chai songozi bebembirwe David Rutalo MCs DJs okutahamune ngumitano kandi no kunze chipaya Mpengo drink utaferu kwa ngwembo ngasola pano eteje ya Christmas amasimu t-shirts engofida Mpengo drink ente aprons ekiteramo cha Mpengo Fermented Beverage 2025
musibire mutabantu batoro. It's a great day here in Port Porto where we've been rewarding our customers who have won school fees for the whole year.
No mega star 165 star then 80 hash bakeze ngenderwaho mbaire na hat school fees itakajumazireyo ndire na loan zexe school fees imbene sasuireyo obumpulire ngumpangwire school fees tinda kukira no kikiriza nyoko obampere shite kunyoleka ngo mwana asasuira amaziri kandi asasuira omwaka gwonna guno omwaka najya gumara no gukwiza nagukwataho MTN yakikozi. Now I'm a winner. I thank MTN and I thank God.
Katubanjura ba Allen Interiors and Designing Hardware. Abantu bakafuru interior designing ngomurengero w'izoba. Orino yombeka ningano z'amakagawe hoteli amashomero ningashi business yawe. Chitaya iro yotungira amatara gashangalya agarikawa okashangura burayi singi z'umurembe za burishika wallpapers za toilet sheets dressing tables na millers shower mixers jacuzzi z'umurembe za curtain water heaters tap mixers door locks carpets n'ibindi bingi kandi nubaguza kamwe hamwe na nokushubura nibashanga mu Mbarara City akikinya Bongo Street hina gate ya Baspaka aho uzuri kutahiramo esumu note mushanju 2 ananibi abino mushanju 9
Christmas bunyaruguru development sako yakuretera ishitereke nyamurungi ariko barisha kwangura bwa nyuma yo kugura no savinga emyeze 3 kurga kibanzo ku 10 kutabiro na bishatu byo ku 12 1025 otehirayo rero kirakomusha gukutanga mukazano ko kwangura ebirabonye mwinji wa savinga miliyoni 2 neshweka nemegaba miliyoni 2 neshweka no tungo go kwangura wa savinga mitwara 5 nemegaba mitwara 5 no tungo mchego kwangura wa savinga mitwara 25 nemegaba mitwara 25 no tungo mchego kwangura koko Nubaharon za boda, dairy, school fees, agriculture, emergency, home improvement, home harvest, commercial loans, nubashangwa Nyakasharu, Bunyaruguru head office, kandi bine branch chambura, Chitagwenda, Ibanda Kagongo, Kasese Katungu.
Kurebi, shemezwa n'abanyamukago mu kubagana cyo kunywa cya Red Star Wine. Red Star Wine ni yawe n'umukuru wawe, ibona bawe. Iboneka yawe hakivuro. Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekurwa basiga Investment Limited, kandi neshango maduka gona omwihanga. Tera no tumusanzu musanzu 2. Mukaga na mukaga, notina atal nitano.
He's recruitment experts for safe jobs abroad. Tumanyisa bahumwe mwire bona ba pensioners, senior citizens, civil servants, teachers, policemen, army officers n'abazire mwena abo twatwarira abana banyu aheru ho kwijamsho mu gukubakora abajwecerwa ninga agents mu biceka byanyu ntwije ko tubaha emishara na allowances bwa nyuma yo kuhamibwa abibanda ishongoro kamwenje buheju kashari kazo n'imyanya baherire tugane acayi ibanda urwa mukaga ibirabe na bitano byo kwezo kwikumoko abantungamo rukunjiri kabare kanungu soro mwija chai rubare argo kubanza ibirabe na mushanje byo kwezo ku abisingiro rugaga mwizi bukanga twishanje ari isingiro district headquarters arwa kabiri ibirabe na munana byo kwezo ku abagureta bushenyi yona mitoma shema rubirizi twishanje ari bushenyi district headquarters arwa kashatu ibirabe na mwenda byo kwezoku abakasese footpoto chenjojo chibare masindi kagadi mwije acha ibuhinga footpoto arwa kana ibiro 30 byo kwezoku abagureta mbarara nabandi abakoba batabasize okushanga mwije acha ikacheka arwa gatanu ibirasha tunakimwe byo kwezoku ninga tshanje a office zeitu omuchombeko echa Amazon mbarara opposite na Stanbic Bank amazoba agandi gone esimu not mushanje ina not emwe not ninga not mushanje ina itano
manager ogito wagito konka batumu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ achumna na wewe ngegoma tukutisha shankiri bantu wale katugomza tukume twatesha twata mashamsha zibe shamsha tukiza nguko kusharake bishamsha nizeze nyine iyo ni sharakeki tukaza kunyumbo na wapenzi yo na nesente konka tanyuyembo tukushekerera kanisa wena ninyende mbogoka oyinembogo kana bamurungi ayibambere kuri ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
bw'abashubuzi kandi omugacencwire ageshicwikechi bakuru b'amashomero baragudima bane bigezo ahabwo butamarayo ebishare by'ishomero okushaboku kwahebwayo Jacqueline Kankunda or RCC Owambara City North Division.
Umujwecerwa mukuru w'ihanga abo rembo rwambararo rw'amatemba Jacqueline Kankunda yarabara bakuru b'amashomero ukwitantara kuyima beje byamushanje buzo ngutubaka mazire y'ushare yaba narambura amashomero kureba kugetegwire okore buzo byamushanju ebyakamarizo ebirutandukanye ncyakare na briefing
akuriyo kugira ngo twereza abana amatsuko tubagaidinje tubaye confidence kugira ngo bakore batinye vuba kandi no kuraba mu mashomero kusima head teachers nkamashomero gunaza mugona yeri kwa appreciating head teachers nkambara junior mixed primary school and katujo primary school ukubasima kugira ngo unuhabe hariho industrial and instruction yabe rero these are the head teachers ababere bari in charge of their schools and their teachers remained at school teaching. So it was one of the appreciation kugira ngo unyije ba headmasters abana bomba mbasime
ogu yazo mashomero gataragamwe na gamwe yahereza beje amaswara kwene z'ubusinguzi kandi yajumero muzegwa bakuru b'amashomero baro kwima beje bigezo abo kuba banja fizi
abo kuba tinkwamya ngo UPE school umwana shemero utakora exams umwana abana bona bashimira exams wanumba banja then harukija kwachira results kara ho banja riyo no mwana kan pay that way parent can pay after when they are getting the results but all the children must do exams
ogu yarabura bakuru b'amashomero kwetantara kope buzo akubangwa batiro hamisha abiri
to tell all the head teachers and the inspectors of schools and others to make sure that we are not engaged in such practices of cheating. It is very bad and we should not, for us, at least the schools I've seen, they have not been doing that.
Kukunda abana tukaganira nabo because now this is the time kuba to muzi bachimwe abintu ko umushomesa gukunda abana kana n'umwana nuba kuba abakuru bakunda ni umushimiriro
bakuru b'amashomero bagamba kubetegwira koresa abana buzo
class abana bishatu atanu n'umwe niyo class iri kukirayo umhistory y'ishomero twagira kwiha kumurwendi kumena kumwe this class is special no tukubantu ba treating no twantu bari no tukwasa no twashomesa ntuma this is a special class so we expect these children to excel.
We have 164 candidates. Abana tubatebekana iseje mu mwaka gutandika very ready basombire turagire na industrial action turaha n'amasuku abana bazakora
itwenka hari mixed primary school tutebekanisa abana b'Urundi babasomeza syllabus yahwa abasomesa bagacira muri vision tukozere bigezo byingi kandi tugambira abana barurede kandi bari prepared munonga binamagara marungi tutekateka kwike bigezo ebyo abana atanu ngo nakishira mu idara yo kubanza
tubagamba bona umwe habeji abatugambira kubetebekanise
we abashomesa bacomeze kumara kandi bitambangiza paraje
bacomese yene ibitwitenga babitira. We have made self timetables to manage time. We have
okubuzubwa nokutandika inchakari na briefing kandi ro kubanza bakoro kubara mu kasheshe ubwo barukurasa social studies umihangwe nabwanyuma harwa kabiri bakore science mu kasheshe baheruke no rungerezo mu ihangwe ahabwa TV Western Aidan Bataringaya
webare Aidan Bataringaya kandi abeja beca mushanjo twende bashabira kandi turendeza na nusimbuzi obukama bwa toro bwatandaka okugabembe boza koko hamwe na nomwani okwera batungwa abo bukama okurwana soboro makagabo ekuredi yabahambaga nkuru zo bukama omurumucweya kandi yayebemberwa omishirwa wa toro Calvin Armstrong Rwomere
ehuriyo kugabembe boza kokoa ombukama bwa toro eshagicirwa kama urukwero government ya rwagati kandi yesegwe Toro Kingdom Youth Livelihood Program.
District bakitero humulingo urarangwa insigo zino zagenda Amerika ndara abantu bakujya banasubira ekezi kako kugenda bije kuba tuli nyangavu barasha na foto
ahansi yecweka cyo kubanza cyehureji Armstrong Calvin muhiciro kama najangu harimo kugabembe bozo mwana na kokoa kandi mucweka cya kabiri nahaza kuba mu kugabembe koko no kubyarembe bozo mwana na kokoa umashaza gona kwetororo kama
ezi ya kabiri ngenda kubyara insiri ya kokoa na kofi kutuimba kabiri insiri ubwiro yongera ubwiro bubono yonka tulekana na byoma ebikwalisho koko obo nabo ntwija ndije kwa nsombeke byombeko kuri county kuri sasa
yene project obyezire omukama yasaba president project aine singanto nyingi mbukamabwe ayitaga kubayamba
abakuru omukama ona bashabe bemezwa government kurwo mashaza gukama okushagike horeji
buli isaza eriri mukama bwa tolikirweho kandi terera isaba aba emyandi ya tori nywena mujumbire project yo mukama
group abantu 8 so buli isaza na ya ungamo sto kubandiza za model groups
but the program eno ni interesting anto ntahizange le tutas campus to embracing program eno kera muno kokowa omwani hamune koko
gasha kwa Jonan Singwire
webare Jonan Singwire we president Yoweri Museveni Elizoba yahendera campaign ze omucanga ecyakaramoja kandi abukwe yabaragana so kwa kuza kubongera obukumi okutungura ebyo bwegese hamwe na kurwanza oboro makagabo
omukasheshe k'Elizoba President Museveni yasibure cyanga cya karamoja kandi yavuga n'abahagizi be acayicana paka na bwayimara za cayicana kolyo kandi yabashendekereza bw'umukazi wa Janet Museveni aho yabashaba kuranzya hare
I want to thank Mama when she volunteered to come to Karamoja. She's the one who volunteered.
another minister whom I had appointed had declined. He had said appointing that person to Karamoja was a demotion. But Mama volunteered to come and she made a big contribution, especially in two areas, especially in the area of water. Including the dams and in food security. When she was here, Karamoja was beginning to sell food to Mbare. Now, when she was here, some of the dams finished were at a check after dam 2.1 billion liters. Nakumama Valley tank. Now we are planning Lopei 135 billion. The dams are good.
Museveni yabagera ngo kushera karuru mchanga cha Karamoja kutambwire kurungi kandi yahamza ba Karamoja government ya NRM yekigombe bembezi to kubasa kwikiriza ko abaho kimchero mchanga cyabo abo kugira ngo byo kwerinda bakwatisa amani.
That NRM is the government for Karamoja. God has used this president and the NRM government to bring the peace that is in Karamoja now and in the whole of Uganda. So all Ugandan adults have a responsibility to protect this peace and unity for the continuation of development of Uganda.
I said, let them get the guns, bring the guns, we shall defend them against the Turkanas and those from Kenya and South Sudan. You have now seen the results. I want to thank everybody who was involved in supporting that disarmament. I remember we had a function at Kangole where very many guns were handed over there. I remember that function. I think it was the elders who organized it.
President yagira ngo nahagire kitenso cy'abana bona kuturo mu mashomero kandi cyakugira ngo abebembezi bakaramoja bakaba bashitensize kare ngo nicero kucendeza mbaro gw'abana bari ku rugo mu mashomero. Museveni yagira ngo mu kirere kwijana ja kumaririza hari yebyo ebiri kubateganisa ebiri mo kombe kamashomero amarwaro enguto hamwe no kutereza by'amagara.
But the plan is for each parish to have a government primary school, and for each sub-county to have a government secondary school, and technical schools at least one per district. That is the plan. What has been achieved is noted, but what is not yet done will be done. That's why we're asking for your support.
General Museveni ocyamana w'ikibina cya NRM yashabanya kibina ngo mwanya gwo kwesimbo batine kibina nobwe baheyo bujuruzo bukoreka ngo bakabiba.
Kare President Yoweri Museveni Elizoba yahendera campaign ze umucange cyakaramoja nyincakare campaign ze naija kuzikora umucange cyateso kandi naija okuza districts nkakabera Maido Karachi hamwe na Nagatakwi aharije kwa nashera obushaje twaza kubanza tugaruke tumureho tugaruke na makuru gandi.
Okurugerizo abantu bange tibareka kugenda kwa mutima yagumabinda mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecyakatoki mugume munywecho katoki yino bunuzi bwayo katoki kerya mutindo katoki ine chama chayo muhute katoki yerya mutindo katoki alcoholic drink inuzire kandi teri kureta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited utakagize imyaka 18 utanywaho
oino mukoro nkembaga yo kugitwa ukwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zibike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events ni bashangwa ahacombeko echa Central Market room number 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city ukumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanju mkaga hata noni itano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twanko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bw'umurembe Kira omuri rwambara suits omwanya gwo mugwaje no muteka omuri Mbarara City ati twigwiro conference hall eyo mutindo gwa yiguru nibyo kweshinisa omunchiko nka projectors no kurire kitongore no ndo mwanya gwo gukorera muza seminar board meetings nebindi omwanya ni Rwambara Suites conference center tunyabishenge byo kurara ibyo mutindo gwa yiguru minonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara yo mutindo restaurant n'aba chef baronje munonga nshangwa ari proti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City esimu noti mshanji noti 3 58 nshanji na mkaga 48 ninga noti mshanji 5 noti emwe hashatu nemwe nshanji nina
amazina ni Patu ya Ranga hazo kumanya kuturumu aha twina masarazi awejo ngizi ndarikomanya iyo kumibiri ko nebiri fresh sore kiza aho naho ngazo fresh bamba sore yapo kongo mutkozesa ile birungiye sore yapo tekukira korarara aha ni ndisenkoko sore ni twesa kurudinge koko ngikumi na 5 kumisha 5 shanga ngitimo ziri muruda
mweniwe wa saruni abamashomero abamaduka abazafamu n'abatunzi b'enkoko banyine maka abamabara na za hoteli tunga sora ya fresi rero kora magoba ijuka ngo badikushumikira bajikanike kandi bagaruza mekiri kusiskara aho gabusha free ebiri kukira hotela noti 8 noti hasha tuna mkaga hatano na mshanju ngaga ni 5 eyabusha Usiko badomo bwadi katoli kundongozi na
nanywedde kamyo vera chauda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kakindi kakyebule okododa kololo okotyongoka kwata kano
muzeyi kano bakayita batya
pineapple soda drink kakamuddwa mu nanasi
bojo
mutobe va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga
bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi
kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi
ye naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi otamira ku soda drink n'abawala nabo banywa obutamu
Uganda Police Force ni ndabanya Uganda abashikirize berukwetengwa okukora nk'abarinzi b'obusinge omubiro by'obururu n'ingashi election special police constables omurimo no gukumara emyezi 3 orutunga emitwaro 69 buri kwezi no banokorera omu district eyorukuturamo
hari emirimo eri kurenga emitwaro 10
oyine kuba ori omunya-Uganda oyine endangamuntu y'ihanga kora abe wabire wakozeraho obwanyekundire na Uganda Police nikikongera omugisha osheme kuba emyaka 18 y'obukuru n'ogarura yigo omuntu baguyanga osheme kuba nekikwereka ngo kashitamire ebigezo by'ekyamushanje kandi oyine amaani oyetegwire okukora okumaresha nyingi hamwe no mu mbeera zitorora orukumanya kushoborera enshonga abantu bakakucenga oyetegwire okubangurwa omu byokwerinda kumara okwezi kumwe oshemeye kuba ehandikiise nk'omutezi w'akaruru omu mwanya oguratungiremu omurumu toshemerire kuba ori omusirikale w'ekikachona abakazi nimuhigwa nimwo kwehandikisa sindika application ehandikirwe n'omukono gwawe owa Inspector General of Police IGP ogiteho na photocopy y'ebyemushomo yawe ey'endangamuntu yawe akashanu kamwe aka passport akohereze kweteza hamwe n'amabaruwa agarukwanjura okurwa wa LC yokubanza LC ya kashatu na jiso w'ekyanga cyawe cyoratungiremo omurumo rero byona obitwara office za police eza district ninga za region
obutarenza kibanza cyo ku 11/2025
abaratebwa Ankara nibo barakwija kwetwa okukora interviews ahabiro emukwija kumanyisibwa orayiyete cyatari ningora abayine papura by'ebishobobo na ija kwatwa kandi ajana n'umushango omukaze birajira
chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi chuchumura kabozi tuntumure stress tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi vitamin drink tasyo munsi y'amagara marungi nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi cyane abantu basoma hamwe n'abakazi n'ejo medasho watakaboza vitamin drink otuntumura chubaro na stress echo kunywa nikikorwa bakabozi Health Products Limited cyamibwe UNBS kandi cyuruhombe mu ya Meridas magana 20 umuduka supermarket amwe n'imodoka z'abakabozi okwetoro ihanga yona okushobora no kumanya kukiraho 0 02 15 0M.
Olina omutwe oguluma, emimiro egiruma, ebinywa, amannyo oba omusajja. Waliwo Crema Plus wamanyi ku bulumi n'okuyambako mbuto eziruma. Asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Crema Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera, genda olabe omusawo.
Obwengula obulabika obulungi okutuukira ddala ku ttaka erya lanci eya kitaka. Lanci zino tuzirabira ne ku bisenge, ku mmotoka ne mu bunyonyi kw'ossa ne mu bisolo eby'enjawulo. Lanci eno erungi ya buli kimu. Lanci bwebulamu.
Okusinziira ku langi ez'enjawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint ye lanci wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiiringi. Weefunire langi ya Global ku hardware ne kumpi. Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Advanced International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wherever you are, whatever your reason, it's on SuperSport. Oh, season long. Get and stay connected to DSTV Compact and GoTV Super Plus with Kawiki available on DSTV and GoTV.
Mommy?
Yes?
Everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Ndabye mbaga ya daddy.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shwa.
Kasinage bampakingire sa.
Hani mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Sums from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Sums and start crunching.
Sums, taste the difference.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Barara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Amasanyu ganzise kubanga nabadde ku mulimo n'ebyokukola n'ensooka n'emivaako n'empita bannange n'embaga abana empangu
balabika nno baffe
esimu nagirabye ng'erabika ey'ofisho
nyiga star 165 star 80 hash ogoberera endagiriro asasulira abaana bangi naye nga yakozesa mu bulamu bwe bwonna laba alla bwamubiseeko akasubi naawe osobola wewangula school fees no wanika mu bbanga tulabe yongera mu bbanga checho.
Welcome, what? What's our topic today? The biggest back to school promotion season 3 is here.
When you buy Focus products worth 16,000 to 24,000 Uganda shillings, you win a bucket of pricing. And when you buy Focus products worth 45,000 and above, you win a school bag and lots of other prizes. Move it! All day confidence.
tabaruka yuko mu kahumuro kandi mu makuru agishika kite cy'amaheru umukazi w'abana batanashobanjirirwe banyuma yenjuye okutwara umuyaga kandi atine kirebera mu district ya Kiruhura nagira ngo umushija we akamusigaho mu mwaka gw'I2018 atashobanjirirwe tayene okutora
Chobutunji ano emyaka 50 orukushango mu katete wa Dom district ya Kiruhura nuwari kugira ngo umushija we Alex akamusigire kayona yatunga umukazo ndijo nagira ngo Alex naza kugenda akabanza yatunda buri kintu cyone cyo muka yagaruka yakwata umukazo yamutwara umucome
umusheja yakansagaho umwaka gw'I2018 yagende ntazirire ibintu byona birire itakartunze akataka kasigayireho nako yenda kayihaho yantwara yantumucome natwaza umukoti nangu nakote kayishaho aho muka bayishengereza umusheja garukomuka umusheja yayanga
ana cyo butunji nagira ngo no biyagereze kutwara imishango yabo y'amakomo mbuga z'amateka tine kiyarebere okuyogushisha senteze
akashwero mukazi we beyine hoteli takwenda kureba ye n'ubu nakumbugana n'umwana n'uya kumbugana yamuramutse nicyo kiri kunsasa n'umwana we nanga ngo atakamuramutse mwese tukaza umukoti twaza Kiruhura bafana we byarema baragaho batwohereza mbara twazambara twahikayo naragaho namwetera abanywane be namwetera sembura mwetera kamugumya nabajya ngo batugarakanisi byarema
ubwa hatenje yakurara mune yo kwerarikiriza bwa nyuma y'umuyaga gw'amani okugihirika
nabeshengeza mu nyambe abembezo wa government mu nyambe rusho kinyamba bambe nanye ndiyo mukazi nkiwe kajwenje nyamba abana banje bari mbabona nanjye ndibona
atawenka apoko ni baba kagira ubutekerezana ibyo bataho mu government nubahoza
abaturane bagira amashyonga z'umukazi bature mbasta hamwe bitu kabibyabusha
bari basime rundebera nduko kandi mwarkwiye tene ndijo ntasiyo neta rutoke ndijo nahinge misiriye teine munte teine mumbuzi teine ntasiye ndijo bwene ntasiye nayo noreba ngo yagenda twantushaba government ngo irikangiriro mu cyarugo
bitumshije tubasagamba nawe abo bujyangwe sumzete ziri kuraba amakuru agashaka Paul turi yamureba
Paulo tuyamureba kandi umunyamba bazuwe n'uwakubasa kuba nabasa kwiyamba umukazugwe netumushaba ngwa muhwere twagumiza mu namakuru omunyishenjere wa kweju hamwe na Kashari nibenda ministry y'ibyenguto na pida okora hanguto ezuru kugita district ya kweju shema hamwe na Kashari
omnyishenjero wahuweju kaunti honorable Mwiche Francis nagira ngo mbera mbiyenguto nentindo mu rw'ejo cicumba gize ntungu kombatura
uruguto rwa buhejo twatutegerize ngo rutembe koransi inshaka yigwire uruguto rwa siskara munonga hamwe hatakurabwa hamwe noraba umucambu amizi gashazireho umuhanda
umnyishenjero wa Kashari no honorable baze bataringa ya ashoborira hambera y'uruguto rwa Nyakamboro kugita buhejo Kashara hamwe na Shema okuryo mu mberambi
bwana tacumsha muronje honorable minister of works ya Hamza ngu billion 30 ziri pipeline ziriyo zija zo kushashura abantu abari aharuguto rwo deni bakeza kwashashura contract akatandika kora
umugaruka mu minister w'intambara General Katumba Bamara ashoborira gusente zo kora gutora urwanya kambuzare bekire ngukonkezo kitaba kama bamataka nazo bategerize reno kora katandika.
Now on the issue of that road being tarmacked, the challenge has been money for land acquisition. We have put in budget when we get the monies which are coming soon, 30 billion, so that we start the land acquisition to enable the contractor to be on site. The contractor is ready to be on site.
shongeji umuwezi wa mukuru w'empanura z'ishengero Thomas Tayibwa ayeburiza ko nchokoro ruguto kutari kutandika dero bakama bamataka bakija kitwa bwa nyuma.
Yes, the people said you are saying without a road no votes. So can we allow the contractor to come and start work as we mobilize money for compensation? They said no. So I really know the predicament. I really know the predicament, and Honourable Minister, it's a very, very big concern for that area. And I'm glad you're taking up the initiative.
Amakoraga gashakwa Jimmy Muhumuza.
Webare Jimmy Muhumuza twagumizamo government ya Uganda itandikire okore mirumo eyo kutungura omwanya wo gukorerwamo ebintu ebiri ku rugoma bisasiro by'amajuta agarijinwe agarushangwa omugomboro yakabara mu district ya Hoima omubiro ubu batandikireho kutema mufreje y'amashanyarazi iyo yazamashanyarazi agarije kubangeje n'usubwa omakoraga.
Government ya Uganda ikaburita kariasiko ya mayira na mwana n'utonye za 5 na mshanshku gabatura ababiri mbatura mu kigaga na bando mugombora ya kabaro mu district ya Hoima itakeri government ikacwa mungu rihinduko mwanya gw'amakorero agarukore ibintu biri kubasa ku rwombe sasiro ibiri kuza kubabayiza kujya n'amajita kuko ari ni batebe uri umwandiki w'inturo mu kitongore cy'ibyo bwega bumwitaka arushobora.
So today we don't have any encumbrance on this land. There is no remnant pub. They were all compensated. And as part of the resettlement, we don't have the opportunity today to go to the villages, but we did support in setting up livelihood restoration programs. We set up some schools not far away from here, some churches, religious prayer points to just ensure that the communities are reinstated back to their form.
Mkuru wa kampuni ya majuta ya Uganda National Oil Company no Proscovia na banja nagira ngo birumaneza kumara $3 milioni 390.
So right now what we're doing is to attract investors within the bank. So far we have about 31 across different segments. And as a national oil company, we've also started opening up the roads. We tried to open up about 11 kilometers of road network. So that's the investors that come into the park can access different plots.
This project has so far brought in terms of foreign direct investment up to a tune of $7.5 billion. This is not simple money. So what does this mean? That means this project comes with different aspects that must be addressed in order for us to enter production.
Pumping station is not on the scope of the industrial park. It's part of the East African crude oil pipeline, which is traversing between Hoima and Tanga ports. So those are the main projects within the park.
Aba batungira bagiga 3 nomwe betebekanise kutandika amakorero kandi abantu mutware 3 neceka batekatekwaho okutunga emirimo.
And with this kind of level, if they continue this kind of speed, I think everything will be well in Uganda. And I want you, the reason they called you here is to go out there and tell every Ugandan. I myself, I came here as a doubting Tom because, as you said, they have always been promising year in, year out. By this time, you heard ourselves from the Kingfisher team that come December, they will deliver part of this, and July next year, everything will be done.
Ebi byona byagamba bari kurambuza urukutware by'ubuhereza Lucy na Chobe n'abandi bakuru mu government abari kwatoho enshonga zo kutimba amajuta kandi barambure birombe by'amajuta ebya Kingfisher hamwe n'echayi chendeje.
So I just want to say thank you for everybody who has been involved in this, and I thank you, the media, for coming with us this far.
You can imagine the level of negotiation that went into the agreements that are supporting us to work in harmony with the oil companies to deliver this project. So for us, as the government, the key point is the project is on track and we will deliver first oil as planned come next year.
Uganda netekateka kutandika kunyura amajuta ku rugo kuzumu omukwezi kwa mushanjo mwaka gw'2026. Gasha kwa Ambrose Magabe Katoto.
Webare Ambrose nwagaba katoto umurebi wito murunji agonubwo makuru gutwabasa kusyaho ahabwe cireki kandi wabanaga kusonde Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian owo rumo rwo bonero itwentwende zo kurara kurunji.
Isha zabishatu zikiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000, or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily, or use the My MTN app. Uganda ekitongole ekirize okutuhereza amashanyarazi g'izuba beehireyo okuhindura amagara gawe bari kukwisaho amashanyarazi ga sola agari kwesigwa omuli buli kyetengo kyawe kyona oyine bogoga naba mu rufugi ayibambeje kolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje tina events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensi yona ubwa decoration meganet aboneka zirike ibintu byona akasente kashiko
kumbireba embogo yechi cyo kunywa kandi government cyo twi etusebere kunywa kora nyo bindi ibyo byawo konka embogo wahora ni kumbucha na embogo mixture ejo ne futerezo munda torogarka korobonto tare kintu kibukubasitama no munta omumbago kana mbuga tenejo enjo kabazirikada iwabo chino tambara nejo kadero omwami no mucha omwami no muchara nejo kazaho zo munda nawe cyo omwami no muchara iwana mutembuzi na nejo kazaho no nawe cyo gumo munywembogo yani akachupa no mangu singira 10 zit nyamunegeri yes Fresh Uganda namashazi gijo bakana mu district zone za Western Uganda amashanyarazi ago gariyo wagenda a district onagaro and remember okuginstoringa okucheckinga okutwara battery omuka nachi byona nusha so you gamba ma barabyo zo kwenda then bakuwa yaringira tina invents nibobonka nakujamba kozira kintu hati bakira kustamisa abantu mutwaro kukora tent ukatahamu ukareba the beauty inside ukareba wow nabo echo abayinembaga mwena mugende buremba ambaguta street umurimbarara lock up number 17 babakore echo murukwenda akana katagenda uvura kajya munyana tekaje ruhanga bira twiri hangeri bakweta Uganda kumaremya kama kumyana peacefully amane mbaramba gambo manya the absence of war church kumanyisa peace taba they know what they're talking about kana barahichi ntuko na bible cyo kugamba obusinjo burengero kwetegeza ko mana womu go aba ruhangatira master agwa kutwereza obusinjo burengereze okwetegeza ko burengero kwetegeza ko Uganda amanga gatwetorire twine Sudan aba empunji ziriyo twine Kenya na Somalia empunji ziriyo twine Tanzania empunji ziriyo twine Rwanda almost chimwe cha kabiri bariyo twine Burundi bariyo twine Congo yona baba Congo aba empunji ziriyo mu Congo empunji ziriyo mu Uganda nasira population almost ya district yona isinju why are people running to Uganda? Yumba basakwa nabakubinga no basakwa no hunga abashuma mu bariyumba za kwita kanogo munyanja kubasa kantare kintu cyurungi amentare kintu kibi